Gold, traded with a moderate bullish bias today, now has come towards 2030 levels. At the same time, crude oil has traded in a very narrow range between 72 and 73, which were the no trade zone as we discussed in the earlier update today. So now what to expect from gold and crude oil, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest. Your every like, share, and comment is a great motivation for me. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with crude oil. Watch. Look at gold on the early charts, yielding higher lows, and these are the higher highs. If it continues to trade above 30-32 zone, we can look forward for it to move towards 35-40 zone, which is a greater resistance zone. Yes, and if you see it staying above 2040, consider that as reversal. Now see, after staying consolidating for a while, it has given a breakout with this candle and now continuing to move upwards. Stochastic looking up, MACD is also trading with the retracement here, not a reversal yet. RSI rising, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, after consolidating for a while, it has given a breakout on the upside, getting back to the resistance zone at 20-30-32, and beyond that we can look forward to further highs. Right now also it is trading with higher highs here, and it is trading in the retracement zone. Any drop now below 2022 levels, 2024 levels should be a selling entry, but we have to be very cautious, watchful. As long as 2014 is not taken, we should not be treating this as bearish. Below 2022 zone, yes, we can initiate a selling entry here at this zone. See, 2022 very good support, 2024 very good support, thus we can initiate a selling entry here, but again with caution. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit a bottom, trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI rising, coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, now giving a breakout, but still it is getting a greater resistance on the upside. We have to be watchful here. Yes, it is not showing so much of bullish strength. However, it is in the reversal or a retracement zone. We have to be cautious here in this zone. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge a bit, but it has not yet crossed over. It has still got the bearishness. RSI rising here, and on the 4-hour chart, it appears to be trading with a rising candle here. It can try to appear further highs. See what has happened: rise, first retracement, and then again a rise. Once it breaks out beyond 30-32, we can say further highs can be expected. But right now, remember, it is still, after this drop, it is still in the retracement zone. It can anytime break on the downside. Possibly today is not the day, it appears. Stochastic rising, MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy. RSI is rising. Now look at the daily charts. Yesterday we have discussed that it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. We have seen it rising high. Now so far for the day, it is still giving you lower highs. See these 4 candles beautifully aligned, and that is what makes 2032 zone as a greater resistance. Then we will look forward to double top zone, and yes, 2035, 2036 greater resistance. If it stays above this, consider that as a reversal, and gold might try to fly high. Right now it has come to achieve the median of the Bollinger Bands here. And on the downside, below 2022, 2024, we can again expect it to move towards 2020-2018 zone, first support, and below that further drop can be seen. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. And yes, this crossover, previous crossover has come at an extremely higher levels. After that, it traded with divergence, trying to converge. It can again start to look downwards. Remember, again, I am saying this is still in the retracement levels, not a reversal. Thus, prices might anytime reverse. RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy today 2032 zone. Rather, I will say 2032 you should buy, and beyond that, be careful. See, greater resistance around 2030 to 2036 levels will be seen. Very strong resistance. If you are taking a position, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. It is only clear a bullish if it stays above 2036. As long as 2036 is not taken, do not treat gold as bullish. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2028, 2022, 24 zone, somewhere here you can sell, but then 2018, 2020 first support, and then if it breaks below 2018, 2020, you can find out 2014, 2015 as the next support. Below 2015 is where the reversal and a crash can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. This Saturday we have a free webinar coming up where we are going to give you the fundamentals of technical analysis and key aspects and key strategies we'll be teaching. Do register for the webinars. Link I'll be sharing here on the communities tab and on my channel and on my free Telegram channel as well. And you can find the details on my Forex Funda page. And this page also has much more to offer. You can register for my 28th mentorship batch starting January 2024. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel and on my weekly webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. This also comes with 2 live consultations with me. Do register for the webinar. Now let's have a look at crude oil. Now see oil on the hourly charts finding the resistance here at 73.2 zone. Yes, this is the only buying entry beyond which you can say that the prices are reversing, and we can see it again trading above 74. As long as 73.2 zone is not taken, we should be cautious here. Now see on the downside it is breached for 172.4, 72.6 zone, but none of the candles so far closed below 72.4, 72.6 zone, which makes it as a greater support. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see forming the base here, it has formed higher highs, and this candle has tried to form a tail, taking the support from the 20 period. This can try to reverse, and if you see it is staying above 73.2, you can say prices are reversing, and we can look forward to 73.5, 73.6 as the first target, and then we may see oil trading above 74 as well. Now see, so far swings are seen here. It is trying to trade in this bullish zone, and on the downside, once it stays below 72.4, you can sell again and expect it to move towards 72.2 and 72. Now this complete is a greater support zone as long as 72 is respected. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards. Coming to 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, higher lows here, taking the support from the 20 period moving average and to the median of the Bollinger Bands. We may expect price to reverse here. In fact, one can buy here at 72.9 levels, 72.8 levels. Beyond this, we can look forward to 73, 73.2, and once 73.2 is taken, you can see it reversing high. Strong stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over at the top. This is the only bearish sign here, and this can stretch a bit on the downside. Yes, it is a bearish sign. RSI is looking downwards on the 4. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, see, I will not rather wait for 73, 73.2 zone to be taken for a confirmation of reversal. Now see what the preceding candle has done. It has just achieved the 20 period moving average, taking the support. See, too much of divergence called for it to converge towards the 20 period. Now it has taken the support. Prices might reverse, but you have to wait for 73, 73.2. Again, I am saying stochastic has dropped here. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is looking downwards. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, yes, the 20 period moving average giving it a resistance. That is why again confirm the same levels. You have to wait for it to stay above these levels, and then the bullishness may prevail. Else, as it is shown, higher highs, higher lows. The lows here are at 71.4 levels, and yes, if you see the price is staying below 72.4, we can initiate a selling position. Be alert as long as 72 is respected. Below 72 is where the bears will take over for 71.5, 71.4, and then 71. Any point of time, if you see the price is staying below 71, consider that as a reversal, and we can look forward to a stronger drop. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down MACD. Now see, this is important. MACD forming a double bottom, trying to diverge. This is a bullish side. RSI is staying flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 73, 73.2 zone. Beyond that, we can look forward to 73.5, 73.6, and then 74 levels as the next resistance. If it stays above 74, more bullish momentum may prevail. On the downside, we have to be watchful here at 72.4 levels. If you see the price is staying below 72.54, take a sell entry. Be alert as long as 72 is respected, we can expect it to bounce back strongly, and below 72 is where the bearishness may prevail. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Join my mentorship batch, join my webinar series, and do not miss to register for the free webinar this Saturday. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.